We were single largest party after the elections with 17 seats. We continue to be single largest party on this day also. And now, in view of what has been done in Karnataka, the counterpart of Goa governor there has invited BJP to form the government, has sworn in Yadurappa as the chief minister of a BJP government on the premise that they are single largest party in the house. Now in Goa, we were single largest party after elections. We continue to be single largest party today. Therefore, the Goa governor too should call us, invite us as the single largest party to form the government, because we are ready to prove our strength on the floor of the house. You see, anyway, for the last 2 months, this government is a headless government. The chief minister of this state is nowhere to be seen. The chief minister is not at sight. The state is leaderless. It is rendered rudderless. It is moving in a directionless fashion because there is no government at the moment which is functioning. There is administrative chaos in the absence of the chief minister. This chief minister, before he went, he has constituted something called as Cabinet Advisory Committee, which has been unheard of. There are 3 members, 3 ministers in it, and we have seen that it has been rendered to be a pure farce, that CAC is a pure joke, and in this situation, the state has been left without a leader, without a chief minister for over 2 months now. So now, therefore, the Congress party, in view of what has happened in Karnataka, the Congress party in Goa demands that the governor must forthwith dismantle and dismiss this undemocratically installed state government, which is for the moment headless for the last 2 months, and call us as the single largest party in the house and give us an opportunity to prove our strength on the floor of the house by calling a special session, and we are ready to prove our strength within 7 days. You see, the governor should call us at the earliest in these circumstances. It is wrong to say. Who is saying? Then you please listen to me. We have claimed.
We went with the MLA.
Everything was done.
We went with the...
Everything was done. But the governor did not invite us.
We paraded, you don't remember that time, we paraded the MLAs also.